Morning, Ken.
All right, guys, I'm back.
Hey, your stream ended.
Oh, again.
Yeah.
Right. Okie dokie. LOBO. Nice push. 175. LOBO. All right. So let's see what we have today. Let's start with that SPY here. So let's see if we can. Right now, SPY. Well, it is still flagging, right? Beautiful flag on it here. So you definitely want to see this one break above that resistance here on SPY for more upside move on it. All right. Keep an eye on this 587 resistance. All right. Um, so yeah, so let's see if we can push over that resistance up here on SPY for more upside move on it. Break over the resistance and push on SPY. Other ones that are setting up right now would be that Tesla. Tesla, what do we have here on Tesla? It's coming down to support here, just a little bit lower. Oh. So right now on Tesla, we are still flagging, just like the SPY is, right? All this is one huge flag on it. So definitely keep an eye on the trend line flag to break so we can push it higher. So what's this one to break above that resistance here? Take it up to the next one, to the next one, and so on, right? For a downside move, you definitely don't want to see this one break under your support on Tesla. You want to hold it. Right now, we are a little bit on the heavy side, all right? Do not jump the gun. Don't do that. Let it give you the pull that it needs to do first, and then we'll take it out. Let it pull first. NVIDIA, same kind of setup as well. Right now, creating a little bit of a head and shoulder. We want to see we want to see this one break above that resistance here on NVIDIA for more upside. So right now, let it give you the pullback it needs to do, and my line is a little bit off. Other ones that are flagging here would be this coin. So definitely keep an eye on this coin if it's going to break over your trend line flag as well for more upside move on your coin. Your next resistance would be this one up here at the 259, 259.85. It's the line you want to break on coin for an upside move on it. Another one would be this PLTR. PLTR made a nice little pop today, broke over resistance, came up to the next one. Now it's pulling back down again. So let's see if this one's going to break over that resistance, came up and tested for more upside move on PLTR. Right now, we are still a little bit on the heavy side. So wait for it, all right? Let it pull, break over this first resistance for an upside move up to the next one. My next support on this PLTR is all the way down here at the 120, what is that? 127.60. 127.60 is my next support. So let me put a line there so you guys can see it. So this is my next support on this PLTR. And after that, we're gonna go all the way down to 126.80. Arm, arm, choppy, 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 choppy. So wait for it, all right? Well, right now we are still holding support. We are not breaking it. You have this support here you want to hold, and that's what we are doing right now on arm. What the? Where's my line? Hmm, wait a minute. Here you go. So you want to hold this support here on arm, and you want to push over the trend line flag and push it. Next resistance you're gonna find would be all the way up here at the 134.40. On arm. Apple. Apple has an interesting setup here. Very, very tight support and resistance it has at the moment. So you want to see this arm break over this resistance of 210.48. 210.48. Your support on SPY is down here. So it's very, very tight right now on Apple. Very tight that you need to make a move on Apple for a downside or an upside move. What we want to see, because we have a beautiful flag on it, all right? All this is a beautiful flag on this apple right here. So let's see what it wants to do. Break over and start pushing. Definitely keep an eye on your Baba coming down to support here again. Went up, hit that resistance up here, and now it's coming down, testing support here again on your Baba. Right now we are still on a little bit on the heavy side, so definitely keep an eye on it. Break under that support and go up. Next support I have on Baba would be down here at what is that? 125, 125.85, 80. Let's call it 80. 125.80 is my next support line on your Baba. The same thing goes for the rest of the gang of Chinese stocks. Nice pull, nice flag, holding support. Here hitting resistance though, right? Hitting that resistance here a couple of times on PDD. Doesn't want to give it up or break through. So definitely keep an eye on this PDD, what it wants to do at this resistance point. If it's going to be start pulling back down again, that's what you want to see, right? Baidu, another one, Chinese. No, Baidu, Baidu. There you go. Making a little bit of a double bottom down here. My next support on Baidu would be this 89.68 on Baidu. Um, this APP from yesterday made a beautiful move, but right now you are coming up to a resistance point that is important on APP. So you definitely want to see this one. If you can break over that resistance on Baidu, you are hitting it. Your first level of support would be down here. You break this support, you're gonna start pulling on APP. All right. We had Walmart, WT. I think it was Walmart.
Yep, Walmart.
Oh boy, damn it. Ah, well, we wanted this one to hang up there and give us that pull afterwards, but unfortunately, it's already pulling right now. Coming
Mm-hmm.
down support line right here, right now. So let's see if it's gonna break under that support line on WMT. Walmart. Beautiful pull. Beautiful. So pretty.
And can you also look at BA? It seems to be jumping on this Saudi Arabian news.
Which one?
BA, Boeing.
BA. BA. Well, you want to break over this resistance 108 here. And that resistance point is at the, well, it's actually 107.93. It's the line of resistance you want to push through. So you're getting a nice little flag here. So definitely keep an eye on it to break over that resistance for an upside move on BA. Support on BA. Oh man, my support is way down here, but it's all the way down here on BA. 206.50 is my support line on it.
Thank you.
Welcome, Param. So let's see what the coin wants to do. You're coming down to support here and retesting it. Show you this coin again. All right, you are coming down to this support here and holding. So let's see what it wants to do. Like I said before, do not jump the gun, all right? Be patient. SPY, still holding, giving us a little bit of a pullback here. Let it pull, let it pull, let it pull, and then we'll take it from there. Right now, you are sitting between support and resistance line on SPY. All right. Does anybody else have any other ticker you guys want to talk about? Anything else?
Janie, SE. SE.
SE.
Yep.
SE.
See, yeah.
Mm, nice flag on it. Have beautiful support here. My support here, DC, is what is that? What is that? That's 161, and you want to break over your flag for an upside move.
Okay.
So definitely keep an eye on this one to break over your flag resistance here for an upside move on this SE.
SE.
SE, yeah. Look at the spreads on that one, huh? UNH, that can dance nailed. Breaking under support, going even deeper. So we had a little bit support area on UNH here. And right now breaking down. My next support on UNH will be all the way down here. A little bit lower maybe. Well, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? All the way down here. Can I show you? Down there.
270.
Um,
Yeah, 270.
yeah. All the way down there is my next support on UNH.
Wow.
Let's see, what else do we have? Do we have anything else? Any other? Oh, it was boot, right?
Boot. Yeah, boot.
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 Boot. Can dance is boot. Coming up here. Very light volume in it. So you're coming up to resistance here, testing that for the fourth time. For the fourth time right now, testing that resistance on boot. So let's see if boot has the momentum to push through that resistance.
That's got $1.30 spreads too.
HIMS, what is HIMS doing today? HIMS. HIMS has a resistance that you need to break, which is that 60 spot 55. HIMS 60 spot 55. You want to break over that resistance and push, all right? Support on HIMS 58.85. Amazon, what are Amazon doing? Ooh, Amazon hitting support here. So let's see what Amazon wants to do with this support you are hitting right now. Sticking its nose under my support line at the moment. For an upside move on Amazon, you want to see the resistance would be that 208. Next support I have would be 205.90. Next support. On Amazon.
Out 95% of UNH long here. I'd like to see it get back up to WAP. I mean, you were down again big today. I just start thinking at some point the first round short sellers step in to cover. You probably get other ones following suit. Think of GME back in the day.
Thanks, Kajora. All right, so right now we are holding here on Tesla. Tesla is holding. Nvidia is holding. SPY doesn't know what it wants to do right now either, so wait for it. Morning, Ken. Get ready. Anybody have any other tickers, you guys? Any other tickers? Apple breaking over resistance and popping. Apple. Next resistance you're gonna come up to on Apple would be this line here.
Hi, Janie.
All right. Here we go. PLTR is trying to make a curl. PLTR. Coin is coming up to resistance here. Try to push through. PDD dumping. PLTR coming up to resistance. AMD is also making a little bit of a
Out Tesla
pop here.
short 95.
Baba. Nice pull on Baba. Bye bye. PLTR coming up to resistance here. Beautiful break. Nice break here. Nice push on PLTR. Coin is trying here. It's trying. It's still holding it within this bound range. We need to break over that resistance. Nvidia coming down to the next one. MSTR coming up to a double top. Needs to break through here for a more upside move. We're getting the push on SPY. Come on, Tesla, turn around. Come on. Come on, Tesla. Come on, Nvidia. Trying here, Tesla.
95% of Tesla long. I'd like to see it move up to roughly 341.88. But if you're in the long, start locking in some profitability.
Got it. Thanks, Kajora. Push, push, push. Come on. All right, the Chinese stocks, PDD, Baba, nice pull on them. But we are not getting a push right now on coin. We are not. All right. Not on coin yet. Nice push on Apple coming up to the next resistance on Apple. And that is the 212.15. Come on, Tesla, push, man. Don't let Tesla now break under your support line, all right? Don't let it. Don't.
Out 95% of UNH short here.
Nice on UNH.
Oh,
Next
very
support
nice.
I have. Next support I have would be that 257. My next support. Let me show
Danny,
you
I'm
this
starting to watch it for SCR, short cover rally.
UNH. Take it down. Beautiful short. Well done, guys.
Out 95% of UNH long. There is your short cover rally. See if we can get a little bit more. See if we can get back up to WAP. But this thing dropped hard. It's rising hard and on a little volume, so be careful.
Getting a little bit of a pullback on Apple off that resistance. PLTR coming up to the next resistance here of 130 spot 15. Coin broke on the support and bye bye. Next support on coin would be that 249. Not very exciting right now. This Tesla is at the moment. Come on, Tesla. Push, 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 push. Just be careful with Tesla and Nvidia right now. Do not trust them too much. We need to break above that next resistance area, all right?
All right, out more UNH long. I got
Look
1%
at
left.
this.
I think we pull back here.
Look at this pull, man. Look at it. I was just saying it. Damn. Look at this pull. Bye bye. Do not trust those two. Do not trust that SPY either. Getting a little bit of a pullback on PLTR of that resistance. Hmm.
Out 95% of UNH short here.
UNH trying to make a base here right now. But look how it's bouncing between support and resistance lines right now on UNH. SPY's coming down support, getting a little bit on the heavy side right now. So let's see what it wants to do if it's going to break. It's going to take the whole market down with it if it's not pulling right now. Nvidia testing support here again. Come on, SPY, decide. So we're getting a nice pull on PLTR of that resistance, testing support here. So we got a nice pop and pull straight down again on Apple, on PLTR. So let's see what it wants to do at support. ARM, it's coming down, wants to retest support for a breakdown on ARM. Apple is retesting resistance here. Apple. Nice pull on Baba. Coming lower. UNH coming down to the next support. Right now, SPY is trying to hold, and we don't want it to hold, right? We wanted to see if we can give it up, break that support, and give us a pull, but right now they are holding it.
All right, PT hit on UNH, taking out more, holding 1%.
Hitting the next support on UNH.
Hey, I'm only holding 50 shares left of UNH.
Well done.
I'm just going to let it ride.
Let it ride.
Walmart, I have 50% left of my holdings.
Well done, DC. Next support I have on UNH would be that 243. 243.65 on UNH. How much by break? Break it.
About 95% of Tesla short on this break from WAP.
Beautiful pull on PLTR. Coming down to the second line of support. How much by pull? Pull. Next support we have on Tesla is down here. So let it pull. Come on down. Come on down, Spy. Come on down.
All right, out more Tesla short here. We're getting down to the 337.04, which is my ideal price target.
UNH is trying to make a little bit of a base. No curl yet. Just basing here a little bit. Until more sellers is going to come in and dump it under that support line to come down to the next one. As long as it holds, it doesn't break over resistances.
All right, out Tesla long 95%. You're getting that bounce off that ideal price target. So take off some off the long, lock in some gains, move your stops up on the rest. Ready for a potential pull here.
That bounce on UNH, holy cow.
Yep.
Yep, looks like some shorts are getting out.
No kidding.
Come on, Spy, pull. I want that Spy to pull, and it's having issues breaking under and pulling right now. And I want to see
Remember,
that
this stock is
PLTR
short
break
still
that.
restricted, so that makes it difficult for a lot of people to get in to reshort it.
I want to see that PLTR break support and pull as well, but right now they're holding it.
Out Apple short 95%. You punch through WAP. Let's see if we can take it down to 210.66. But this is a significant pull down. 2 points on Apple or a point and a half is pretty significant. So I'd be looking for an SCR pretty soon here.
Thanks, Kajura. This is Lobo, L-O-B-O from pre-market. Breaking over the flag here for a little bit of a push. The other one is RCAT. RCAT. Nice move on RCAT. Come on, Spy, pull. Buy still trying to hold. You piece. Boo boo, come down. Spy doesn't want to give it up right now.
Well, Tesla along 95%. You're getting back to WAP. Needs to get over two things here. Needs to get over in a longer term 78 here at 339.73. You also have WAP, whatever it is, 23 cents above that. So it needs to get over that on volume to push up.
Testing resistance here. Nice pull on arm.
Out a bit more UNH long. I got WAP at 267.86. It's got to get over that. If it gets over that, you'll probably see a lot more shorts look to cover. Up 95% of Tesla short. You got rejection of that long-term 78, which is just below WAP. So take some profits off here. Move your stops down to protect gains.
Nice pull on Walmart. Came all the way down to 92.30. All right, we wanted a pull here on SPY to break under that support and to go and come down, right? So we are breaking that support right now. So let's see what it wants to do with the next one. Nice pull on ABP coming down to the first support. PLTR still thinking about it. Still sitting at this support area here. Still thinking about it. Want to see this one break. Tesla slowly coming down to the next support here. Beautiful pull on Baba. Getting a double bottom here on UNH. Want to see this SPY if we can take it all the way down to the next support level.
We got three times more sellers than buyers in UNH.
Got it. Thanks, Anita.
You're welcome.
Nice pull on PLTR. Nice pull on Apple, ARM, Reddit, Coin, APP, Mister. Tesla is coming down to the next support.
Can you hear me, Jenny?
Yeah, Ken?
Can you look at Intel for me? It's getting ready to break
Sure.
out.
INTC. Ooh, very choppy. Not to be trusted. Yeah, it's trying. My next resistance on it, Ken, would be on INTC would be 21.44.
About 95% of Tesla long.
Fucking Tesla's bouncing. Go figure. Now I'm down $2 on that $13 play.
Look at
Fuck
this.
you! Just kidding.
Look at the support on Tesla, Ken.
I beat that girl up.
Yeah, came down to support, didn't want to break under. Keep an eye on this UNH, right? UNH. Still a little bit on the heavy side right now.
Hey guys, you got to watch the language. Remember, we're on YouTube, and yeah, that's a strike.
Yeah. Ken?
Yeah,